Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this super easy quick flip transition in HitFilm Express. So I got to tell you, this is really super easy. I'm just going to drag my clips here onto the editor timeline, and then I'm going to go to the point of the first cut where we transition from one clip to the next. And then I'm going to back up about half a second, and Control-Alt-G adds a grade clip to the timeline, and then I can move forward a full second or half a second past the clip and just trim it to there. You can see that we have this grade clip covering the transition area. I'm going to go into the warp effects and find perspective warp and drop it right here onto the grade clip, and the magic will happen here in the latitude. So you can see that if I just slide this, that it flips this way. So let me reset that. I'm going to back up to the very first frame of the grade layer and set keyframing for the latitude. Then I'm going to move forward to the last frame of the first clip and push that to 89. Then I will move forward to the first frame of the second clip, make it -89, and then I will go to the end of the grade clip and make it 0. So now it flips, and if I were to just play that, you can see that's not terrible, okay? But I do want to add a little bit of pizzazz to this. So I'm going to open up the display timeline, zooming in on this. I will grab all of these keyframes and make them manual Bezier. Then if I open up the display graph, the value graph as it were, then you can see the curves. I'm just going to grab this handle and pull it down, and I'm going to grab this handle and push it up. And that's it. Now if I play this clip real quickly, you can see, beautiful. Now if I want to transfer this to the next clip and the next clip after that or whatever, I can just grab it, copy and paste it, and now it will flip again just like before. I'm Jay Haynes of the Film Trivia YouTube channel, and this has been how to create a super easy quick flip transition in HitFilm Express. If you like this video, please like it. If you like what you're seeing in this channel, please subscribe. Otherwise, thanks for watching.